Lesson 11.2, Making a Box and Whisker Plot. Okay, as a result of today's lesson, you will be able to make and interpret box and whisker plots. Vocabulary: the box and whisker plot is a display that shows the median, the quartiles, meaning the upper and the lower, and the least and greatest values of the data. The first or the lower quartile is the median of the lower half of an ordered set of data. The upper third or the upper quartile is the median of the upper half of the ordered set of the data. And the lower extreme and upper extreme are just what they say, the least and the greatest values. All right, let's look at this box and whisker plot. It says make a box and whisker plot for the data. Scores on a science test. Okay, first we have to order them from least to greatest. So looking at all of these numbers, they go from 52, 59, 60, 61, 73, 80, 83, 85, 86, 90, and 98. And then double check that you did them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. Yep, we got them all. Okay, let's find the middle number. So if there's 11 numbers here, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This has to be the middle one. So you have 5 numbers here and 5 numbers here. So that is our median, the middle number. Then we take the middle of the lower half, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 60 is the middle of the lower half. So that's the lower quartile. And then the middle of the upper half is the upper quartile. Here's your lower extreme and your upper extreme. So let's fill this in. Alrighty. The minimum number or the lower extreme is 52. The first quartile is 60. The median is 80. The third quartile is 86. And the maximum is 98. Okay, you always need a number line when you make a box and whisker plot. So we have to go from 50 up to basically 100. So let's do it, see, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95. Let's do it from 50 by 5s. 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Okay, you put your median on. So our median is 80. You draw a little line on it. Okay, so that's 80, and that's our median. Then let's put our lower quartile on, which is right here. So that's our LQ, and that is 60. Our lower extreme is 52, which would be right about there. So the lower extreme is 52. Upper quartile or third quartile is 86, be right around there. And our upper extreme, upper quartile is 86. And our upper extreme is 98, which would be around here. So upper extreme is 98. So then we have to connect everything. First we connect our box. Then we put the whisker out this way and a whisker this way, and there we have our box and whisker plot. Okay, let's go to the next page. And we have another set of data, and we need to put them in order from least to greatest, which is 22, 24, 26, 28, and even if it's repeated, put it down twice. 28, 29, 31, 32, 33, 33 again, 37, and 39. Let's double check. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. We got them all. All right, let's find the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have no middle numbers. So we have to take the two center numbers, add them together. So we have 29 and 31 make 60. Divide them by 2, and our median is 30. So that is now our median. Let's see, we have 6 numbers here, so the lower quartile would be between these two. Add them together and you will end up with 27. That's our lower quartile. Here's our lower extreme. Here's our upper extreme. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 right in the middle here. 33 is our upper quartile. So we have 22, we have 27, 30, 33, and 39. Okay, let's make a box and whisker plot. Whoops, I need to see the numbers. Okay, we have to go from, let's say, from 20 to 40. So 20, 25, 30, 35. Okay, let's do it by 5s. We have 20, 25, 30, 35, and 40. Okay, 22 is our lower extreme. Then we have 27 as our lower quartile, which gets a little line. Then our median is 30. Whoops, a little sloppy there. Our upper quartile, or our third, is 33. And our upper extreme is 39. Okay, let's draw the box and whisker plot. And connect our whiskers. And we have a title on here, and we're good. Okay, let's go down and interpret. Okay, interpreting a box and whisker plot. You find the minimum first quartile, median, and third quartile, and maximum scores. It says find them. Okay, for the Spartans. Alrighty, so we have a 0, 2, 4, 6. This is 6. Okay, so we have 0, 6, 20, 30, and 42. Find the minimum for the Panthers. Okay, so we have 6, 14. The median is 24. The upper quartile is 34. And the upper extreme is 38. Which team scored the greatest number of points in a game? Well, the Spartans had 42 points in a game, so it has to be the Spartans. Which team had a greater range of scores? Okay, let's see. The Spartans went from 0 to 42 points, which will give us 42 points. And the Panthers went from 2, 4, 6, all the way up to 38 points, and when you subtract those you get 32. So the team that had the greater range would be the Spartans. And which team had a greater median score? Okay, we have 20 for the Spartans and 24 for the Panthers. So the Panthers get this one. And that looks like the end of the lesson.